What's up beautiful people, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna sharing with you a really simple way that you can earn up to $50 per hour just by simply visiting different websites. So this is gonna be an awesome video, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, this is going to be an awesome video, and if you want to learn a little bit of how to make some extra money from home, but before that we get into this video, if you want more videos from me on how to make money online and how to create a passive income so you can ultimately create a life of freedom, that's what this channel is all about. So I invite you guys to go down and hit the subscribe button and push the bell notification bell, so that way you will receive video from me in the future. And guys, the most important thing, if you want my #1 recommended system online business that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online, check out the #1 link in the description of this video, my #1 recommended system that teaches you how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. And a lot of people who going through this system are loving it. So it's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. So guys, check it out, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to comment in the comment box and I try to answer them all. So with that being said, go back to in this video, and let's get started. So guys, the website I'm gonna talk about is called testingtime.com, and what you have to understand about this website guys is that they are basically a middleman between you and someone who wants to get paid, and then other companies out there. Okay, and you can kind of see, if you scroll down here, I believe it was right here, you can see all these different companies that Testing Time works with. Okay, and basically what you have to understand is that what you will be doing is you will be going to a website through Testing Time. All right, and you'll be taking a different test on these websites or simply checking them out. All right, and giving your valuable feedback on different websites. That's all you have to do. And the way that this works is different companies will come to this Testing Time platform and they will pay them money to find the peoples like you to visit their website to give their feedback into test on how they can make their website more user friendly and better for the website visitors. Okay, so the way that you will get started with this is when you come on this website testingtime.com, and you will go up in the top hand right corner and click on the become a user test user and put your email, your name in here, and click on the I want to become a tester button. So guys, here you can see you can test product at home via Skype or on site with a customer, and guys, you can earn up to 50 euros per hour. Yes, that's a great amount of money. And I believe that there is a question section also that I'll show you here in a minute, but it says earn money testing digital products, help shape of the future of the products you use. So again, this is a product through different companies depending on what tests that Testing Time will send you, and they should be emailing you when a test is available for you guys to take it. All right, and try something different and fun. So you guys, if you never made money online guys, or working from home doing something that's different, this is something that you could start with. Okay, it's something that's just a little bit of different. If this sounds like something that you want to do, jump on this over, guys, and try it out. But again guys, you can see here there is a question you guys ask, so frequently asked questions. So here's so much questions that people ask. So that's one is called how much money do I make. You can make up to $50 per test depending on the length of the session. So you will paid within 5 to 10 days directly to your bank, or guys, they can send your money to PayPal account. So here's another question. How long does a test session take? So when you are testing out a website or you testing out a product, how long it's gonna take you? And this is what they say, it's gonna take normally about half an hour, 30 to 90 minutes to do a test. And then how much money you can make doing this right here. So alright guys, it says up to 50, I believe, euros depending on the length of the session. And it's really simple. If you never started to earn extra money from working at home doing different things, this is a great way that you can start. And I believe that this is actually available, guys, worldwide. So you have to figure that out just by coming to the website. You guys put your name and email into this and get started and start earning. But guys, payout is a little bit low. And what if I tell you there is an easy way that you can start earning up to $1,000 per day online? So if you're interested on this, click the first link on the description of this video. My #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. It's a step-by-step full webinar that teaches you how to start an online business. So if you like to learn, click on the first link in the description of this video. And guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you got some value out of this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.